Welcome to GeoChimp.Education. Today, I'll show you how to construct the centroid of a triangle. In the previous video, we created a blue triangle and saved the construction. I'll open that saved construction so we can continue from where we left off. First, we need to construct the midpoints of at least two sides of the triangle. To do this, go to the construction menu and select Midpoint. Then click on two vertices of the triangle. GeoChimp will create the midpoint of the line segment connecting those two vertices. Repeat the same process with another pair of vertices to create a second midpoint. Next, we need to construct the medians of the triangle. A median is a line that passes through a vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side. To do this, go to the construction menu, select Straight, then click on a vertex of the triangle followed by the midpoint of the opposite side. Repeat the same process for the second midpoint. This creates two medians, which intersect at a single point. To construct the point where the two medians intersect, go to the construction menu and select Intersection. Then click on the two medians that you constructed in the previous step. This creates their point of intersection. This point is the centroid of the triangle. We no longer need the two midpoints and the two medians. We can hide them from the construction. To do this, open the Format menu and select Hide Objects. Then select the two medians and the two midpoints one after another. The selected objects will be displayed in purple. If we select the Hide Objects menu item again, we return to the normal display mode, and the objects that we just hid will no longer be visible. Now we want to display the centroid in a different way. To do this, open the Format menu and select Format Objects. A small formatting window will open. There, choose a suitable color and a thicker line width. Then select the constructed point. The selected point will now be displayed using the new format. Now we want to add a label to the centroid. To do this, select Add Description from the construction menu and then select the centroid. A descriptive text will be added to the point. To change this text, double-click on the label. This opens a small window where you can edit the text. Press the Tab key to close the window and apply the new text as the description of the point. Next, we want to format the description to make it look nicer. To do this, open the formatting window again and choose a larger font size and a suitable color. Then select the description to display it using the new format. Now we have constructed the centroid of the triangle. We can move the vertices of the triangle freely, and the centroid will automatically move along with the triangle while maintaining its correct position. In this tutorial, we learned how to construct the centroid of a triangle. We can save the completed construction by selecting File, Save. You can find more videos on YouTube. The geometry construction tool is available at www.geochimp.education.